So if your audio here in Fortnite is lagging, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here to prevent that. So first things first is you may want to adjust a few settings here inside Fortnite. So in this case, you want to open up Fortnite, go to your profile at the top right here. You want to go ahead and basically choose your settings by clicking on the settings icon you see at the top right here. And in here, you want to go ahead and look for audio. Now, in here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here, and you should look for sound quality. Now, from here, you want to make sure that you switch this to high quality. As you can see right now, it's set to high. And in here, you can go and just click on apply and to save your changes. Let's go and click on keep changes here. And from then on, that should fix your issue. Now, if that doesn't fix your issue, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to access your task manager. To access that, you want to go and just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, and that should open up task manager as you can see right now. Now, in here, I would recommend you to close any other game that you are, or any other like apps are running in the background. Like for example, you have like multiple browsers open in the background. Go and just select that, right click on it, and you want to click on the end task option. Now you want to do this for every apps that you don't need at that moment, especially browsers. This consumes a lot of resources. But yeah, do this for every app that you're not using at that moment. And once you've done that, that should typically solve your problem. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.